Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable S Pen Create Note with Pen button on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Now go down and tap on advanced features. Then tap on S Pen. Make sure S Pen is switched on. Then tap on Create Note with Pen button. So it said that if you turn on Create Note with Pen button, to use, press and hold the Pen button, then tap the screen twice with your S Pen to start a new note. So let's test it out. This is my S Pen from the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So we press on the button and tap on the screen twice. And you can see we can immediately create a new note. And from here you can write. And then you can save your note. And that's it. So that's how you can turn that feature on for your Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.